The city of Kansas City is one step closer to approving a $225,000 settlement with the former legislative aide to Councilman Michael Brooks. 41 Action News investigator Melissa Yeager joins us with the latest developments in this lawsuit.
Well, Krista, today the City Finance Committee voted to send the settlement proposal to the full council for its review. But it didn't come without some dissent over the large price tag taxpayers will pay.
The Finance Committee spent much of the morning in closed session discussing the advice of their attorney on the suit filed by former legislative aide Tonia Titus. Titus filed the EEOC complaint last November, alleging Councilman Brooks choked her while in City Hall. In December, Brooks stepped down. A special prosecutor appointed to review the case could not find enough evidence to file criminal charges. However, city attorneys advised the council a jury could be sympathetic to a hostile work environment claim.
We had recommendations from our attorneys, yes.
Those recommendations likely center on a series of communications between Brooks and Titus, like this text message where Brooks said, "I asked you to call me and it took an hour. I'm pissed. This is crap. I'm tired of it." Or this one where he said, "This is not acceptable. May want to think about how to be more efficient and handle my request. This frustration is getting old." If a jury finds Titus was subjected to a hostile work environment, the suit could cost taxpayers even more than $225,000. Today, the mayor said he thought the best move was to settle.
We could have stood around and fought. What are we going to say? We're going to bring out all our dirty laundry, all his dirty laundry, everybody's dirty laundry for the heck of it, and then at the end of it, wind up paying money to settle the case anyhow?
Still, Councilman Dick Davis voted against it.
And I understand the city attorney's position that the settlement of this case is probably the least expensive way to go. Nevertheless, you have to stop and say, should the city really be spending over $200,000 on the case, given the facts?
Davis says that upon reviewing those facts, he believes neither Brooks nor Titus can claim clean hands with regard to the situation. The full council will likely hear this and vote tomorrow after a closed session.
Okay, we'll of course have coverage of that. Thank you so much, Melissa.